Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning. A frontal boundary stalled out in our southeast this morning. This is the cold front that came through the area during the day yesterday. It has since stalled out to the southeast. Now, in all reality, I have it drawn where it is, but in all reality, the cold front's, the front's about right there, actually, where I have that line drawn. So it's maybe another 25 miles or so to the southeast where I have that drawn in this morning. But I'm going to go ahead and erase that line. It gives you a general idea of where it is this morning at least. We do have a lot of low clouds out there this morning across the eastern parts of the state, really Highway 281 and eastward, and then a few up north, but plenty of sunshine right in here this morning. Somewhat breezy northeast of the winds, light south winds out ahead of that boundary. So as we go through our day today, that low pressure will lift into southeast Nebraska and kind of hang out there. So for most of us today, we'll be behind the front, cooler, but still warm. Still nice weather out there, just not super hot. It's going to be pretty hot there around Fall City today in southeast Nebraska. The clouds retreating and moving away, so we'll see clearing skies through the day today. Overnight, that front reverses course and becomes a warm front during the late night hours into tomorrow morning. It'll lift into southern Nebraska and eventually central Nebraska by tomorrow morning. Behind it, a few clouds either side of it here, but behind it, south winds will begin to kick up and warmer temperatures will be right in here. Can't even rule out an isolated shower or weak thunderstorm early tomorrow morning. Otherwise, the chance might pick up a little bit more in the afternoon, but even then, that's still kind of a small chance of some thunderstorms out there. But the big story tomorrow, more heat and more winds. South winds, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Gusts that could approach or exceed 35 miles per hour. Maybe a little more sun later in the day, but again, an isolated chance of showers, thunderstorms. Better chances are going to be up here to our northeast. But anything around here, we can't rule out maybe some isolated showers, thunderstorms. It's not a great chance, though, even into tomorrow evening, as you'll see here. So we're just going to go with kind of hit or miss showers, isolated thunderstorms. And then as we get into Thursday morning, still breezy out there. Those winds will crank back up on Thursday. More heat expected being south of that warm front, which is now way up there to the north. And right here comes our next cold front. And that's going to bring us a better chance of rain and thunderstorms Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. So let's take a look at our severe weather threat. This is from the Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma. They have a low-end threat and marginal risk of severe thunderstorms for later today and into this evening in the green shaded areas. Like I said, I'm not overly confident in much activity happening, but can't rule out some isolated thunderstorms producing some large hail and some damaging wind gusts. Like I mentioned before, the better chances off to our northeast. Now tomorrow is a more interesting day as that cold front swings through. Now out west, it's going to be, the front will be through before anything fires up, so you're not going to see much here to the west. But near and then east of Highway 183, that's where our chances get much better tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening as storms fire up. We could be looking at some large hail, some strong wind gusts, and damaging wind gusts, I should say, and can't even rule out some isolated tornadoes. Now, again, as you can see on this map here, I think the better chance of storms is going to be in our northeast part of the state right in here, and in fact, even better chances up near eastern South Dakota, western parts of Minnesota, southeast parts of North Dakota. So we're kind of on the edge of it here, but that enhanced risk does actually come all the way back southwest to about Hall County and eastern Buffalo County. And we'll have to keep a close eye on the weather situation for Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. I'm going to show you a couple of long-range models of that in just a little bit here. Now, looking at the temperatures for today, not too bad. 70s and 80s for most of us here. That frontal boundary in southeast Nebraska, so it could be near 90 in Fall City. A mild night tonight in the 50s and 60s for overnight lows. That warm front begins lifting northward. And then tomorrow, a little more heat out there, plus some stronger south winds. We're talking about temperatures mid to upper 80s up north, otherwise low and mid 90s for everybody else. We'd have to hit mid 90s to get to record territory here in the Tri-Cities for tomorrow and on Thursday as well. Now, a very mild night ahead of us for tomorrow night into Thursday morning. We'll see lows only in the upper 60s and lower 70s in most locations. And then another day of heat and wind on Thursday, except for way out west, and that's because of that cold front swinging through. That frontal boundary will advance southeastward. Out ahead of it, though, upper 80s, low to mid 90s. And there will be some humidity the next couple of days as well. Now, south winds are going to be pretty strong. We'll see winds up there around 20 to 30 miles per hour. Gusts could be over 40 miles per hour. Those winds behind the front will turn more westerly in these locations here, and then eventually northwesterly. A little bit cooler there as well, like I mentioned. So let's take a look at the long-range forecast. Again, we go from warm and breezy today to hot and windy the next couple of days. Slight chance of rain and thunderstorms tomorrow. A better chance will come Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. After that, dry weather for Friday, lots of sunshine and cooler temperatures, but still pretty nice for Friday. The weekend's looking good, mid to upper 70s. That's near and above average for this time of the year, with a couple of slight chances of rain and thunderstorms both Saturday and Sunday. Monday's looking nice, a little warmer, lower 80s for high temperatures. Real quick look at the long-range forecast models. This takes us starting tomorrow here. This is the European forecast model. And again, there's that thunderstorm chance for tomorrow. The European's a little more aggressive than what the model was that I showed you there, but then again diminishes it later in the night. And like I said, I think the better chance will come with that cold front Thursday afternoon into Thursday night, and then clears out here for Friday. The weekend, like I mentioned, there's Friday quiet weather, but then Saturday, Sunday, both days slight chances of rain and thunderstorms. Can't rule out something each of those days. The GFS forecast model, again, mainly dry for today, and then tomorrow afternoon, you're right here, into tomorrow night. Just a small chance of rain and thunderstorms. Like I said, the better chance is to our northeast. And then for Thursday, here comes the better chance of rain and thunderstorms as that cold front swings through. So Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening, a chance of thunderstorms and severe weather before that clears out of here. Friday looks quiet, and then slight chances of rain and thunderstorms both Saturday and on Sunday. Just a small chance there as well. So not real confident in those chances either one of those days. Long range high temperature trend showing again the two hot days tomorrow and Thursday. Cooler but still above average Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and a little bit warmer Monday, and through most of the next week we'll see highs lower 80s. So we'll keep the above average temperatures going, just not as hot as what we'll see for the next couple of days here on Wednesday and Thursday. So want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. Hope it's a good one for you. And if you're heading to the ballot box today, I don't see any concerns whatsoever with the weather. So get out and vote, and I'll see you all again on Wednesday morning. Take care. God bless. Bye.